Hello.
Hi.
Thank you so much for spending your last 2 days with us. So, to begin with, please introduce yourself.
I'm Miloni Sharma, and we recently graduated from Modern School Barakhamba Road, and now we'll be going to college.
I'm Hazel Vanga, and I've also studied in Modern School Barakhamba Road and preparing for college.
Okay. So, before this workshop, what was not using AI costing you, like time wasted, opportunity missed, or that feeling of not being on time or falling behind? And honestly, did you feel too non technical for this workshop?
Yes, we did feel too non-technical, and we didn't know a lot of things about AI. We only knew what there was, like the basic things, but here we learned many features which we didn't know, which would be really helpful for us.
To be honest, we did use AI, we did use ChatGPT and Claude, but we were only doing that for mindless things, and now we really got to know that you can make a website out of it, and so many things that we got to learn in just 2 days.
Yeah. So, we are in the final hour of a workshop now. Please show or tell us one thing that you have built with your own hands during the workshop.
So we made one website which was named Closet Compass, which was basically that you can style your own outfits every day. So it's basically like your own closet setup stylist. So it tells you what you can wear according to every occasion for every day.
Yeah,
outfit.
you just need to photograph your own outfits, and you have to put it up on the website, and it will give you a whole outfit and what you can wear, like 2-3 options.
Amazing.
Yeah.
So, you could have watched any YouTube video or any other webinar or so many other workshops of AI. So, what made this one workshop different for you, and something that Ritesh way of teaching or something he have showed you?
He was actually very good with his teaching, and even if we were not paying attention, he came and he was making sure that he
Yeah.
gave us chocolates or something that would grab our attention and have us doing our work.
Yeah.
And secondly, the way he taught us things, having everything like properly set up the slides, so it was very like hands-on.
Yeah, he was always there. Like, even if he needed help at even a minute detail, he would always be on a table and just helping us to do the thing.
Okay, so looking straight into the camera, what's your suggestion for someone who wants to join the next batch and thinks the workshop is too technical or too expensive or not relevant for them?
I'll just say it's not too late to understand the technical aspects. We honestly didn't know much, but now we know how much work we can get it done and like how easy it is.
And I feel like for somebody who thinks this is technical and boring, it is not at all boring. It is very chill, but at the same time, you get to learn a lot of new things which are very, very useful for you and your future self. So I feel like you should definitely 100% do this.
And to be honest, we thought this was just a time pass for us, but I think it turned out to be something really productive.
And we are really, really grateful that we came.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.